When we quote from a source, a book, an article, a website, or use an image, we have to cite to show that we are giving credit to the person who wrote it. We are not stealing their ideas or their words. And to do this, we put it in a specific format, APA format, MLA format. This citation right here is an APA 7 format, and it starts with the author. Then it has the date that it was published, the article title. It has the title of the journal that the article was in, the volume and issue numbers, the page numbers, and then a link or DOI to that article. The order that the citation information is in is very specific, and these citation style guidelines may be updated frequently, especially as we have AI generated images and electronic sources and new items that we need to cite. One very, very helpful website on how to cite is the Purdue OWL, and you can find out information about how to cite using APA or MLA. So if we go to the APA page, on the left we have a menu, and it tells us the basic rules here. Let's say we wanted to cite an article. We would probably want to go to this page right here, reference list, articles and periodicals. Scroll down, it tells us that first we have the author. If we have a second author, we put their last name and then their initials. We put the year it was published, the title of the article, and so on. It tells us the order that we use. If we want to cite a book, we would go to this page, and it would again tell us the order of the books. And for a website, we might go to electronic sources, photograph, we might go to audio, visual, media, and so on. One other very, very helpful item that OWL Purdue puts out is this APA sample paper. So this helps you visualize what your paper should look like. On the first page, you need the page number, you need the title of your paper, you need your name as the author, your university, your college, your class, your professor, and the date that this paper is due. Then you have your title again on the second page, along with that page number, and have the body of your paper. You double space and indent. And you have various headings. This is a level 1 heading, this is a level 2 heading, and here's a level 3 heading. And then at the end of your paper, you're going to have a works cited page, which has your citations or information that you quoted. And this is going to be alphabetized, and the indentation is going to be reversed. So it's going to be what we call a hanging indent, with the longer part at the beginning of your citation. You also want to cite inside your paper. So this idea came from this author. So they put the author's name in parentheses, as well as the date that that author's article was published. Here, the author and date are already mentioned. So then when they actually quote it word for word, they use the page number. The sample paper is a great way to visualize what your paper should look like. Another tool is this template that I created, and you can go to it at this link right here. And this is just a little bit simpler in that it doesn't have the whole paper. And so you can make a copy of this file, make a copy, put your title, and it tells you what should go where. Your page numbers are in there for you, and your reference page. And then in the reference page, it has some of those examples of what order your citation should go in. You should put the author first, the year in parentheses, the title. The title should be italicized, and so on. Here's a book. citation. Here's a podcast citation. There's a website citation, a photograph citation. And here's an actual example of a citation. So you're welcome to copy that template and then fill in your information and delete what you don't use.